guess it must be boating season. We got our boating signals. That's very interesting. Or European style signals. Usually they go over here. Oh! Uh-oh. Duct tape. Yep. Rusted. What else is new? Four-wheel drive, gas, half-ton. It's for sale. 1995, $3,000, 168,000 miles, leather interior. Half-ton. Looks a lot better with 3/4 ton springs and monster wheels. Mine are a little too big. They put some galvanized coating on these. I've seen them a lot worse. Rear sway bar. Why doesn't mine have a rear sway bar? What's going on? Yeah, a little black touch-up paint, but you can't hide the truth. Lucky they make those bolts big so they don't bust with the rust. Need more than duct tape for that. Chevrolet barn doors. I prefer the tailgate, thank you very much. Yep. $3,000, huh? I don't know. Do I have those frame brackets on mine? I want a rear sway bar. Why don't I get a rear sway bar? 160,000 long-range miles, 7-passenger deluxe leather interior with armrest, center console, power windows, power rear mirrors, heavy-duty trailer hitch, many other options, LX model. I don't know. $3,000, huh? Nicely done. Oh well, it's good from far. Chevrolet. Interesting. She's a beaut. Check out what I just bought. 250 bucks. You buy 5 quarts of Mobil 1 engine oil for cars, not for trucks. For $32, 5 quarts for $32 makes them $6.50 each, and you get a free filter, Mobil 1 filter. So I bought 3 oil changes, 1 filter for the Subaru, 1 for the Honda, 1 for the Chevy, and I bought 3 cases of brake parts cleaner, 2 for $5. And shocks, $15 each for the Hyundai that I sold to one of my tenants. Transmission. Hello, Mr. Muggs.
J.P. Morgan's blunder. Langley interviewed numerous J.P. Morgan executives, including
it's trailer season with a canoe on the roof. Gotta run. Chevrolet. It's for sale.